mar KCB odonjo e kidieny mar nus final e tuke mag manyo simbo mar Enterprise bang' mayo team mar Black Blood mar Kenyatta University Muya kod gonde 62 kuom 7 e kidieny mar quarter final. Tugo mano otugi e lap mar tuke ma KCB Ruaraka. KCB nowuok mager kane giyudo telo machon kowuok kuom jatugo Fidel Maina mano ketonegi nyime kod loch mar 5-0 kapok Andy Cole Molo kod Levia Munga medo lojno nyaka 12 kuom oling' thi. Lionel Ajeliti no chako oloyo bang'e mochore nyaka 17-0 kapok Amuo chako oloyo momiyo KCB ochore nyaka 26-0. Tugo maber mar jotugo Sinsikutwa, Emmanuel Opondo, Dominic Sande kod Steven Osumba ne ochoro KCB mochopo 62 kendo yudo tiko mar tugo e nus final mar tukego.
Against them, so it's a game that you have to come all 10 toes down and make sure that you put your best foot forward to make sure that you win, because they always bring their best game and we have to match up and get something else on top so that we can get the win.
I think the new faces are people who are fitting into the program. We did it intentionally to do the signings because we knew where we wanted to keep our depth and to be able to keep new players coming in. So it's a matter of us just ticking the boxes and bringing them in to just get into the program seamlessly without having issues. I know we are having big games coming, so for us it's just to focus on how we can build our team and be able to go out and